Lights, camera, action. Anthony, say hi.
Hi.
So we are doing like the live Anthony and Natalie show.
Yeah.
Like Kelly and Ryan Seacrest. So first what we're going to do is we're going to use the duo cloth, but we're going to put some cold water on the other side. So we're going to flip this side, turn it around like that.
Yeah.
Let's put some cold water on it. Nope. First cold water here. Perfect. There we go. So cold water on the fiber. That's it. No hot water because we don't want to hurt our hands, right, Anthony?
Yeah, yeah.
So then I want you to show how you're going to put it this way, flat. There we go. And then you can wash it away. Let me see how you can remove all that dirt off the sink. How gross is that, Anthony? Amazing. So you're using cold water. Let's open that up again.
Yeah.
And look at how dirty that is. Oh my goodness. Let's do it again. So put it flat. There we go. And wait. And you just have to keep it flat because we're trying to make it easy on our hand, easier on our shoulder. And then try to go in that little hole. Can you go in that little hole to pick up all that black stuff? See down there? Perfect. Turn. Wow. Amazing. And then once that's done, can you do all the way around the edges? Yep. Perfect. Put it on there and wipe all the way around. Anthony's an expert ENJO cleaner. He's been practicing a few days now with me at the cottage, and he has mastered the ease of ENJO. Is it all clean? Because first that fiber will clean everything. So let's see that cloth. Let's see that. Hold it. Oh, look at that, how dirty it is. That's really awesome. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it here in some hot water, and we're going to let it sit for a bit, because then we're going to take the all-purpose cloth and we're going to remove any water that's on there. If you think you need marble paste because there's tarnish, you can use marble paste, but we're going to see first if we need it at all. So you're going to take the all-purpose cloth, and the all-purpose cloth is going to pick up anything that that dual cloth didn't pick up, because the dual cloth is harder fiber and does a harder job, and this basically just picks up after. I like to do 3 steps: the dual cloth, the all-purpose cloth, and then I dry behind. Let's see that cloth, Anthony. So look at, so we picked up quite a bit of water and any other food that would have been left on there. So we'll put that aside, and then we use the magic ENJO fill. You can use your tea towel or you can use the ENJO fill. The ENJO fill will shine that surface by removing all the water that's left there, so that there's no chance of bacteria growth, because the fiber technology, these two, as well as the dry behind, is the reason why ENJO works 6 times better than any other cleaners, and there's no use of product to clean, because you get a beautiful shiny sink. Spotless. Look at that, Anthony. Anthony, so how easy it is. Do you think you can be in charge of doing the sinks?
I think okay, Ryan, you're here on Monday. I will see if you come.
Yes.
If you support.
Yes.
And I will say one Kelly. I did really good, and my partner Natalie and Ryan, Natalie and Yancy show.
Yes.
And I want to say Kelly and Ryan, if you come, I want you to help us for support for your TV show. That TV show is my favorite show. Please, I want you to come. Wherever you college.
So we're inviting Kelly and Ryan to come and take a look
and
how we can sparkle our sinks. And then we're going to clean this behind using the ENJO natural plant-based soap.
And I did bake, bake. We made
omelet in the oven. And it was delicious.
Come here, you just take it.
Yeah, we can make something for them.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do now is thank you, Anthony, for that. I'm so glad. I bet you know what? Kelly and Ryan, they might want to take us up on this offer, because they get to eat, go in the sea-doo and all that, and it's natural plant-based, so we are not damaging the environment here. So I'm putting a little bit of hot water in there, And I might get Anthony to help me to move this around a little bit.
Yeah.
But what I'm going to do is put a drop of orange blossom soap in the water.
Yep.
And then I'm going to put a drop of the ENJO laundry soap after. So first we're going to wash with the orange blossom soap, because the orange blossom soap, it will remove all the dirt from that fiber, or the oils I should say. So we're going to bend it in half. Oh, don't twist it. Just fold it in half. Perfect. Fold it in half. Fold it like that. Perfect. And rub it against each other. Rub it with 2 hands. Can you use both hands? Yeah, like that. And rub it like you wash your hands. Perfect. In the water. Good job. So you're going to basically put all that soap in there. Yep. Squeeze it. Super. Perfect. And take out all the oil that was left in that fiber from cleaning that sink. Great. Let's see. Good job. Let me rinse it one more time in there. Let's put it in there. We're going to fold it in half and massage. See, like this? Massage in the water to remove all that oil and dirt. So you can see the color. See how dirty that thing is?
Yeah.
That's what was in that fiber. Just from using the orange blossom soap, we are able to remove all of this dirt. Look at that. Anthony, that's what was dirty in my sink. Can you believe that?
Yeah.
So every day you take a shower. Good thing you take a shower, because you remove all the dirt that's on your body from water, right? But look at that. The ENJO fiber technology, it's basically as easy as that. You're going to use the orange blossom soap, clean out that fiber. It's perfectly clean. Look at that. Let's see the other side. Can I see the other side? Wow. That is the best. So if you can clean your sink of all this dirt and have a perfectly clean fiber after using simply the orange blossom soap, how amazing is that? If you need to launder it because you're done using your fiber for the day, you basically can do the same thing. In this little bucket here, add some hot water or bowl, anything that you would like, a glass bowl, stainless steel, or even in your sink. You're going to put a drop of the natural plant-based laundry soap in your hot water and give your fibers a full clean. You can do every fiber at the end of each day, so you don't need to launder them. And I want you to tell me, Anthony, if you smell this fiber, tell me what it smells like.
Smells good.
It smells good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Does it smell like orange a little bit?
Yeah.
It does, doesn't
Yeah.
it?
Nice.
Isn't that great? So all that dirt that was in this fiber, we completely cleaned it and take it off.
Yeah.
And this fiber is perfectly clean for the next use.
Right.
Thank you, Anthony.
I was in your face.
Oh, hang on. I can't move from the camera, but so say have a good day.
Have a good day.
Thank you.